Where's my glasses?
Is it going? Is it going?
I think so, yeah. I think. Is the time? Yeah, it's gone.
Okay.
Alright.
Guardian dog bark collar. Bought it for Jessie yesterday, so I'm going to try it out and see exactly what it feels like. Because she's been to like level 5. So, starts out at level 1. Woof! Did it go off? Did you see the light?
Wait, did you took the batteries out?
No, they're in.
You put them back in?
Yeah.
I didn't see any light. Put it around. Wait, let me hold it on to your...
You'll see the little light go off.
Okay.
Woof! Woof!
Louder.
Woof!
Did it get you?
Yeah.
I heard it.
You hear the beat?
Yeah. Did it hurt?
It kind of went.
Okay, do it again.
Level 2. That was level 1. Level 2. Woof! Woof! Ooh. Did you see it?
Are you recording it? Record it.
Got on there.
Okay.
Wow, that's pretty good for level 2.
That was awesome.
Did you see my nut?
Yeah.
Do it again. Do it again.
No!
Yeah, I want to see.
Yeah,
You do it.
No? I want to see. Do it one more time.
No.
No, do it one more time.
No.
I want to see.
No. That was enough.
We're gonna wait till level